Hey guys! Today we're going to prove that with TideCloak, even if the admin, the cloud, and a hacker all team up, they get nothing. It's blah blah garbage. Welcome to the TideCloak playground. Your own map in one click. On the repo, hit code, pick code spaces, and create on main. While this loads, remember, $4.5 million. That's what it costs to be hacked. Remember LastPass? Ouch! Every second you keep secrets unprotected, that's your money on fire. Okay, fast forward. Your code space pops open with the dev red me. In ports, we see the TideCloak IAM and our demo app waking up. Behind the scenes, it's grabbing node stuff, pulling TideCloak's Docker, and boom, everything's wired. No installs, why won't this work? Finally, when it's ready, if your pop-up's blocked, just click the little globe to start. The app says initializing, but it's not just loading. It's building a secret vault even the boss can't peek into. You're the root, but a safe root that can't go back. Now, we link our identity. Pretend this is your invite. Click accept, then link account. The browser hops to the Tide cybersecurity fabric. This is where the real magic happens, where secrets like your identity live only as crypto shards, like breaking a key into pieces, so no one can ever hold the whole thing, and it sets you back. Let's log in. I'll check remember me because, duh, and we're in. Homepage shows 3 tours. Let's start with user privacy. My birthday decrypts instantly, but my credit card, random nonsense. That's because it's protected by threshold encryption. The key to unlock it literally doesn't ever exist in one place. Next, database exposure. This is what hackers see if they steal the database. This useless nonsense. Encryption happens on your device, so it's super fast. I can see my birthday, but not my card. And never someone else's data. Hack neutralized. But how do I see my card? Go to admin protection. Watch this. We're breaking old security. I'll make myself admin and set to see my card. Now I'm queen. But not so fast. It's just a draft. It needs 3 out of 5 admins to say yes. I'll approve as me. Green circle means my vote. Yes, queen. Now Dana and Alice say yes to their secret shards combined to hit the threshold. Quorum is done. Yay! Now I hit commit. Policy is alive. No more one admin to rule them all. Back to user privacy to see what's up. And ta-da! My card decrypts. Now let's peek at everyone else's data in database exposure. Access denied. TideCloak wins big time. So, what just happened? Provable security, vendor immunity, insider proof, and best of all, breach proof. All in your browser tab. And the best part, adding this to your app is 5 lines of code. Are you still storing secrets the old way? That's so 2024. Look at the repo, spin up a code space, and see how to lock it down with TideCloak. Everything less is basically reckless. See you again soon, Lexi.